Thank you for visiting the Lighthouse Video Surveillance YouTube channel. The purpose of this channel is to educate our clients and our future clients on the technologies in the security space, primarily video surveillance and access control. Now, we do this through providing instructional videos, product reviews, interviews, and more. We'll be posting new videos here each week, so please be sure to subscribe. That way you can find us easier, as well as you can be notified when we upload new videos. If you want to get those notifications, just click that bell there. You can visit our website at lighthousevs.com, and links to these videos can also be found there under the Videos tab. So all this content is provided for you absolutely free, and we hope that you find it helpful. We also provide paid services such as security consulting, design, equipment installation, and maintenance. So here at Lighthouse, we seek to honor God by solving real problems with the right technology solutions. Have a blessed day.